My name is Leslie Elias. This is Daniel Sade.
We are the Grumbling Gryphons. We're a traveling children's theater. We go all over the region, putting on shows of all kinds, folk tales, ancient myths, and a good bit of environmental plays. And all of them have a lot of messages that are really important for the kids to hear, so it's great that we're getting them out there.
After I was with this theater group in Danbury called the Magic Box Players, I said, I want to start my own group. And we said, Grumble and Gryphons are mythological creatures. And the reason why we're doing it in sign language is over the years, I did work with a deaf actor for a very brief time and different interpreters, but I had a taste for American Sign Language and I really wanted to learn more, so I wrote a grant and they assigned us an interpreter and a deaf actor to work with us on the Myth of Persephone, which is one of the plays we do and have in repertoire, which we did today with the kids from Glenholme, and they were great. How many of you do know some sign language? Raise your hand.
I know the alphabet and speaking sign language.
Oh my
so
God. Okay, my name is Zoe. Again. Greece. Greek. Okay. For I am comedy. Say comedy. That was great. We're comedy. We're tragedy. Now tell the tales of what? This is like what? What? Yeah. Oh, it fits you. Look at.
With a terrible crash!
Crash! Who are you?
Who are you?
I am Arethusa the waterfall.
I'm Arethusa the waterfall.
Okay, ready, guys? Did you have fun?
Yes.
All right.
My name is Corbin.
My name is Maddie.
Hi, we were just getting done with the workshop for improv and we had really very much fun learning how to do this stuff.
We got taught a lot about sign language, which I found really cool. And I've always wanted to learn more sign language, so that was really fun. And it was good to have like a little bit of improv in there too. So yeah. Bye.
Bye.